Hi, good evening. Today is 9th of August, and I'll be analyzing four of my favorite stocks. I will be telling you why I like to enter in that stock and what are the levels for me. Before we go ahead and we see the four stocks, we'll just see what Nifty has done today. This is the daily time frame of Nifty. If you see one thing here, that the last four candles, that is one, two, three, four, they have always been in this particular range. And today's candle, it tried to just go. I'll just show, just zoom it. It just tried to go above the 20 days moving average, but it did not go. So we can say that the Nifty is not as strong as we feel. So this area, this entire area seems to be a supply zone wherein if the Nifty crosses this particular area on top, then we can say that yes, it has got some power. So for me, if the Nifty is above this particular area, somewhere here, then I will say that yes, the strength is coming back because 20 days moving average, this particular line is a major resistance for this particular chart. Coming to the four favorite stocks of mine, two of them belong to the chemical sector. The first one is Clean Science. Yeah. So if you see the monthly chart, you will see one thing. The stock, when it got listed, it gave a good run up right from September 21 to somewhere around Jan 22. That is 1 year. It actually gave quite a bit of run up, almost you can say 70-80%. But after that, what happened? After that, you can see the chart. It has come down and it was in a downtrend. Now, if I switch to the weekly time frame, you can see this downtrend more prominently here. So while it was falling down, it took it tried to go up here. But here again, there was sellers sitting here, so they tried to pull down the stock. Again, the stock went down and it was almost in its particular range, right from, you can say, yeah, right from here to almost here. That is September 22 to July 24, almost 2 years, we can say. So now what has happened? Why you think that, this stock has become more interesting? Coming back to the daily time frame, after the stock was coming down, it took support somewhere this zone here. It took support, came up, again took support here, tried to come on top. Again, there were sellers sitting here, got it down. So you can see that the stock was in a very tight zone. After the tight zone, the stock now has almost given a good breakout. It's trying to give a breakout, and you can see the volumes which are here. So for me, what I foresee is that this stock will be good. It will give a good run up, and as such, chemical sector also is quite doing quite well. Now, what are the targets for me? Simple. The targets are very simple. If I zoom here, from this level at which the stock is, even if it goes right up to the previous all-time high, it is almost 63%. But then once the stock touches here, it will not stop. It will further go. So for me, minimum target which I feel will be 63%, that is all time high, and after that it is unlimited. So this is the first stock which I feel because of only two main reasons. One is that after consolidation zone here, it is tried to give a breakout here along with volume, which is more important for me. So let's see how this chart behaves in the next coming week. The daily time frame will actually show some other picture here. If you see here, see the amount of buildup which is happening. It means that when the stock is trying to go up, sellers are here, it is coming down, but it's not coming down. It is just sitting on this 20 days moving average. This is a more detailed analysis. From here, it went above the 20 days moving average and it is just loitering around here. If this area is broken down, then I will say yes, there's again some weakness in the chart and then the stock may again go down. But for me, because of this volume, I feel this chart is actually good and it will do well. For me, the second stock is uh, fine organics. Yeah. Again, if you see the chart pattern, the monthly chart pattern is almost the same as Clean Science. Here, right from August 18, it gave a very good run up, came down, consolidated, and now it is giving a breakout. Again, if you see the consolidation zone. It is again trying to be in a particular tight range, and for me, this is what is the range of the chart, the stock. And here if you see, after I have drawn this line, it is just trying to be above this particular line with volumes which are coming up. Now, this is a weekly analysis. Daily analysis will clearly show you that this is a daily chart, that the stock is not ready to go below this line. It gave a good run up here. This is post a result which came quite good. It was brought down and now it is above this. So for me, the strength will only come if this particular stock moves somewhere above this area. So that is for 5,492. So let's see how the next week is for this particular chart. The third one is again from the IT from the IT sector, which is Persistent. Persistent. Acha, I think system. Systems. Yeah. The long-term chart is an uptrend as you see here. Subsequently, after Feb 24, it was a downtrend, and now it has come into a very tight range. It is consolidating at this area. 4,890 is what I'm looking at. The moment this particular level is broken, this chart can be in a very good uptrend. In this consolidation zone, you can see volumes which are coming here. Here, the volumes are coming. Some places the volumes are drying up. So I will not be surprised if next week this zone is broken, that is 4,890, and then we can see a very good run up. If we consider from this portion where the stock has made its bottom here, and if I just take it here, so for me the first level can come to almost 5,631. So this is a level which I'll be looking first. So this level will almost give you a return of almost 20% from this level. So we'll wait and watch. This is what I feel that the chart will really do well. And so I've given you two chemical stocks and I've given you one IT stock. The fourth stock is again from the defense sector, that is HBL, HBL Power. The analysis is the same. That is, it was in an uptrend and now it is consolidating in this particular zone. If you see, it was trying to, here somewhere in May 24, it tried to break this zone. It did not. It came again, tried to break it. It did not happen. And now suddenly here, that is July 24, it has broken this zone and that to see the volumes. This is what I'm more interested in. Here the volumes are drying, in between the volume spurt, but see this volume here. So after breaking this zone, it is sitting above 597, and I don't feel this particular stock will go below it. Even if it goes below, the first level of support for me will be 438, 467 in fact. And if this particular zone is broken above say 660, then you can see a very good uptrend in this particular stock. So these are the four stocks which I have told you, and as and when we achieve a level, I will come back to you again. Till then, see you, bye.